Have you ever wanted your own website, but the coding, the drag and drop, and the endless setup just killed your motivation? Well, what if I told you all of that can be replaced by a single thing? AI. With just a few sentences, AI can design a professional website for you. Layout, images, even animations, all done in minutes. No coding, no stress, no wasted time. And that's exactly what I'll show you today. Welcome to Next Gen AI Lab, the channel where I turn the most powerful AI tools into simple, step-by-step guides so you can create smarter, faster, and better. If that excites you, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you won't miss what's next. First, open your browser and type Readdy.AI. Then, press Enter. You will go to the main page of this platform. What I like most is that you don't need to program, no need to drag and drop anything. You just need to describe what you want, and AI will automatically build the website for you. Scroll down, you will see a series of websites that have been created from Ready.AI. Click the View button to see it. You will see that these websites look very professional. Now, I will create my own website. Click Login. You can enter your email and password or quickly log in with your Google account. I choose Google for speed. Now, the system will ask you to choose the format for the website. Ready.AI supports many different formats, but here I will choose HTML. After choosing, you will name the project. I will name it David with AI. Then click Create to start. You will now see two boxes. One to enter a prompt, text, description. One to select a template. I will focus on the first prompt. You type, create a website with courses and tutorials on how to use AI to increase productivity, create content, and freelance. After typing, press Tab. AI will automatically expand and improve this prompt to be more detailed. You can also add sample images for AI to reference, or select a website as a template. Here, I choose a desktop interface, then press Submit to let AI start processing. Now, the fun part begins. The AI will think for a bit, and in a few seconds, it will generate a website outline based on your prompt. You should read it over to see if it's to your liking. If not, just edit the prompt and send it back. When you're satisfied, hit Generate. Now sit back and watch. The AI will automatically build the entire website right on your screen. It will create the title, layout, images, and even content, all from just a few lines of description. Once completed, scroll down to see the entire website. You will see that it is quite beautiful, professional, and has a clear layout. Want to see the source code? Click on the Code button. You will see all the HTML code that AI has created. If you know a little programming, you can edit it further, or copy it to another place to continue using. Now I want to make the website a little more dynamic. Type the following prompt. Add nice animation to all the buttons when I hover my mouse above them. Send it. AI will add a slight animation effect to the buttons. You try hovering your mouse over it, the button will bounce slightly and very smoothly. Now I want to highlight it even more. Type this prompt again. Make the button light up when I hover my cursor above them. Send it, and now the button will have both an animation effect and light up when hovering your mouse. It looks very eye-catching and professional. For example, now you want to edit the title on the home page. Just type, change the first page title to Learn AI the Easy Way. Submit. In just a few seconds, the homepage title will be updated according to your request. No need to dig into every line of code, just type the command and you're done. We're currently building a one-page website, but what if you want to add more pages? Look at the top and you'll see the Page Type option. Select the type of page you want to add. Here I chose Courses. The AI will create a draft of the content for the new page. You can edit it if you want. If it looks good, click Create. In just a few seconds, you'll have a finished second page. You can switch back and forth between pages and, of course, view the source code if you want. Want to make your website public? Click Share to see a real-time preview. To publish, click Publish. Note, you need to upgrade to Premium to publish. Done. Your website will be officially live on the internet. And that's how simple it is to build a website with Ready.AI. If this helped, hit like, subscribe to Next Gen AI Lab, and ring the bell so you never miss the next AI tip. See you soon.